other cell organs? Brain. It is the third largest and major organ of the human body, as we all know, and its weight is about 1263 grams. It controls all the actions of the body parts, and there are about 100 billion cells in human brains. So you should learn about these in points only. Okay. Similarly, we will be covering lungs. It is the fourth biggest organ of the human body. See, all these images are all these organs are given are mentioned in the lesson according to the from greatest to the shortest. Okay. First is skin, liver, brain, lungs, heart, kidney, and spleen, and then pancreas. All these organs are mentioned in the lesson according to their order. Okay. Okay.
मैम स्प्लीन क्या होता है?
You will be covering all these. So you will be covering all these organs likewise. Okay. And
मैम नेक्स्ट पेज मेरा हो रखा है.
who has next page? They see, yeah. Next
I
is
have also done.
page number 42, Ramayana. Okay. Okay. Now you were asking about how we will do it. See, there are questions given in across and down. You should know the answer of these. Okay. Sujan will give the answers of across column, and Asta will give the answers of the down column. Okay. So let's go. First is Rama's younger brother.
मैम शत्रुघ्न.
Shatrughan, very good. Son of Rama and Sita, brother of Kush.
Love.
Very good. King of Mithali, father of Sita, who founded her in a furrow.
मैम जनका.
Okay. Next is Sanskrit scholar and poet who created Ramcharitmanas.
मैम जटाई. नहीं.
No,
मैम तुलसीदास.
Tulsidas. Okay. Next is eagle, king of winged creature. Eagle था ना रामायण में, eagle, king of winged. Garuda. Okay. Lanka physician whose advised Sanjeevani herbs for the Kailash mountain in order to cure Lakshman.
सुषेना.
Brother of monkey king Sugriv.
बाली.
Okay. It's Bali. Next is brother of Ravana and Supranakha.
हर.
Okay. Monkey, a hill tribe of southern India.
गौतम.
Okay. It's Vanara. Gautam. No, it's Vanara. Monkey is Vanara.
Yes, ma'am, Vanara.
Sage or Rishi who caused her wife Ahilya to be stoned for her.
Yes, ma'am. इसका गौतम है.
Gautam Rishi.
Okay. Next is Queen Sumitra's son and Rama's brother.
Lakshman.
Okay. Next, Asta, you can give.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshman's wife, daughter of King Janaka and sister of Sita.
Urmila.
Brother of Ram and son of Kaikai.
Bharat.
Okay. Son of the winged god, devout of Rama and a leading warrior among the monkeys tribe.
Hanuman.
Okay, only Asta will answer. Okay. Great bird who was killed by Ravan while rescuing Sita.
Jatayu.
Ravan's brother who leaves Lanka to join Rama and later became the king of Lanka.
Vibhishana.
Then demons, that is Rakshasi, killed by Rama, mother of Mirachi and daughter of Suketu.
Tarka.
Daughter of Janaka, wife of Rama, mother of Love and Kush.
Sita.
Brother of Jatayu.
Sampati.
The 10-headed king of Lanka.
Ravana.
Ravan.
Hero of Ramayana, son of King Dashrath.
Ram.
Ram.
Okay. So this is how you were supposed to complete this lesson. And next is important eras of ancient India. In this, you are given about the important eras like Buddha era, Mahavira era, Kalyuga era, Saptrishi era, Vikram era, and Saka era. You have to just go through all these ones. Okay, like Mahavira era started from 527 BC and it was used mostly in Jain works. Okay, then Buddha era dates from 544 BC and it has shown that the Ceylonese approach of Buddha's nirvana is some 60 years too early. And then Kalyuga era, you have to learn about these like from which these eras started from which year. Okay, and then next is page number 44.
मैम इसमें जो नीचे टेबल दे रखी है वो पेज नंबर 43 में.
Yeah, you can go through it for once.
Okay, ma'am.
Just go through it once, it is sufficient. Then is tree and treasure on page number 44 and 45. Again, identification of the pictures is important. You have to identify the pictures, write down the names below them. And again, you have to learn about the important point of these trees. Neem tree, it is known as miracle tree. Some of its important uses you should know. Brahmini tree, it is a small creeping herb with the numerous branches. Again, important points. Like this, you will be covering all these important trees which are given. Peepal tree, eucalyptus, mahogany, tulsi, amla, ashwagandha, green, garden apples, arjuna, aloe vera, and banyan important tree. Okay, banyan. Yes.
मैम इसमें जो आप कह रहे हैं ना फोटोज आएंगी और हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. मैम तो ये जो है कुछ लीव्स बिल्कुल सेम दिखती हैं, वो कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें?
No, these are entirely different. Which do you two of you find similar? Tell me. I'll show you the difference. They are entirely different.
4 and 12.
No.
4 and 12.
4 and 12. No. Can you see over there? There is an image of the fruit also along with that. And the leaves are entirely different. The shape is different.
Yes, ma'am. उसकी बहुत छोटी सी हैं.
These are entirely different. They are very small ones. And in the 12th one, they are not as small as compared to the 4th one. It's only about the identification, picture identification. You can easily do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ज़्यादा easy है.
Yeah, very easy also. But these are you can easily do them. Next is page number 47.
Ma'am, but तुलसी की तो पिक ही नहीं दे रखी.
It doesn't matter, na. It is not necessary that you have to go through all these. You can also go through the one which are given in the take a shot.
मैम यूकेलिप्टस और बेसिल भी सेम लग रहा है.
Actually, they are not. You should learn to identify. Eucalyptus, देखो, it is. Yes, मतलब.
मैम मैं कह रही थी कि 8th वाला बैगन कैसे होगा? 8th बैगन कैसे हो सकता है? अच्छा सॉरी बैगन की तो मैम लीव्स बड़ी होती है ना.
8th बैगन कैसे हो सकता है? What do you mean by that?
मैम वो कह रही है कि जो 8th वाला है ना टेक अ शॉट, वो बैनियन कैसे हो सकता है?
एक मिनट सॉरी मुझे कंफ्यूजन. सॉरी मैं बनाना लीव सोच रही थी. सॉरी.
ओके.
बैनियन बनाना मतलब कंफ्यूज होगा क्योंकि बनाना की लीव्स बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी होती है.
They are big, yes. Okay, page number 47. It's only about the animals. Facts 5. Biggest high bird, it is ostrich. Biggest bird, North African ostrich. Deadliest animal, female Anopheles mosquitoes, which carry malaria. Fastest animal on land, cheetah, which speed is between 112 to 120 km per hour. Fastest animal in water, it is starfish, and it can swim up to 68 miles per
मैम
hour.
इनमें से वन वर्ड आंसर आ सकते हैं ना?
Yeah, one word answer, and also in the form of fingerprints also. For example, you can give what is the speed. The fastest land animal is cheetah. Speed of the cheetah is 112 to 120 kilometer per hour.
मैम ऐसे भी आ सकते हैं ना, विच इज द बिगेस्ट आइड बर्ड इन द वर्ल्ड.
Yes, the biggest eye bird. Fill in the blank. Ostrich. You can get any. You should learn them. Okay.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
until and unless you will learn them, you will never be able to keep all these in your memory for long time. अगर आप ये सोचोगे कि अभी पढ़ के हम लीव कर दें just to complete our exam, your memory will not increase ना. Come, okay. Now next is, come to page number 54.
55.
54. Fathers, famous fathers in India. Okay, famous fathers in India. Okay. Varsha, you can give the answers, okay, one by one. Okay, Varsha? Chavi, Varsha, okay, Chavi, have you marked, Chavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can start with this page number 54, famous fathers in India.
Ma'am, I also marked.
Okay, but Sujal, I have
Ma'am,
given
I
you
have
the
also
chance.
marked.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, start, Chavi.
Ma'am, first is Mahatma Gandhi.
Father of nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, it is Mahatma Gandhi. Second, father of white revolution in India.
Dr. Varghese Kuren.
Varghese Kuren. Doctor of astronomy.
Varam Mihra.
Mihira. Okay. Father of Sanskrit drama.
Kalidas.
Father of Indian Renaissance.
Rajaram Mohan Roy.
Okay. Father of surgery.
Susruta.
Okay. Father of Indian unrest.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Okay. Father of Indian budget.
Professor Mahalanobis.
Father of Indian painting.
Nandlal Bose.
Father of Indian cinema.
Dada Saheb Phalke.
Father of Indian engineering.
M. Vishwarai.
Vishwarai. Father of Indian green revolution.
Dr. M.S. Swaminathan.
Father of Indian railway.
Lord Dalhousie.
Father of cooperative movement in India.
Frederick Nicholson.
Father of Indian printing.
James Hickey.
Father of local self-government in India.
Lord Ripon.
Okay, very good. See, it's okay now. Then is on page number 55, scientific instruments. Yeah, just a second, Varsha. Okay, now it is important scientific instrument, that is, you have to name the instrument which are used to measure all these following. Okay, instrument to measure the distance between wheeled vehicles is recorded. Give Varsha, you can give the answers.
Odometer.
Okay, it's odometer, instrument for recording electrical and mechanical vibrants.
Oscillograph.
It's oscillograph. Okay. Next is instrument for recording the high temperature from a greater distance.
Ma'am, pyrometer.
Pyrometer.
Okay, she will give the answers.
मैम कौन दे रहा है दोनों जने दे रहे हैं, कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा. मैम आप बता दो.
आगे से जाओ.
नहीं ये
Ma'am, you are muted.
आप ही बता दो जल्दी।
Next is the instrument to measure the intensity of sound. It is audiometer. Okay, Varsha was giving the answers. Fifth is instrument
मैम
for
एक बार
measuring
आप नंबर बता देगा।
audiometer. It is J, beta. Or it's J option, audiometer. Fifth is instrument used for measuring the aerial blood pressure. It is H, option number H. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then six, instrument for recording earthquake shocks. Yes, Varsha.
Yes, ma'am.
Seismograph.
Seismograph.
Yes. Next is instrument for measuring the quantities of heat. Quantities of heat.
Ma'am, calorimeter.
It is option number G, calorimeter. Varsha, give the options also A, B, C, D, okay? So that it is easy for them to
Okay,
mark.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
instrument for tracing the heart movement.
Ma'am, I cardiometer.
It's
Option
I,
number I.
cardiometer. It's option number I, cardiometer. Eighth is I. Ninth is instrument used to record. It is instrument used in recording growth of a plant.
Ma'am, K. Crescograph.
It's option number K, crescograph. Next is instrument used for measuring the specific gravity of liquid.
Ma'am, N. Hydrometer.
It's hydrometer. N. I hope it is easy for you all to mark now, okay? It is apparatus for measuring the purity of milk.
Ma'am, E. Lactometer.
It is E, lactometer. Next is instrument for determining the speed of aeroplanes and motorboats.
Ma'am, L. Tachometer.
It's L, tachometer. 12 is L. Instrument for measuring the weight and density of air and gases.
Ma'am, D. Aerometer.
It's D, aerometer. 13th is D, aerometer. 14, instrument used to measure the electric current flowing in a circuit.
Ma'am, O. Ammeter.
It's
Ammeter.
ammeter. And then you come to the 15 instrument to measure the force and velocity of a wind.
Ma'am, B. Anemometer.
It's B,
Anemometer.
anemometer. Then it's 16 instrument to regulate the temperature of a particular degree.
Ma'am, M. Thermostat.
Thermostat. It's M, thermostat. 17th instrument to measure the atmospheric pressure.
Ma'am, F. Barometer.
It's F, barometer. Okay.
Ma'am, मैं तो
Again-
SST में भी था 17th वाला.
Yes. Okay. Now next is harvest festivals. Again, there are some of the important harvest festivals celebrated, and you have to know about them. Basant Panchami. Yes.
कुछ एंड में पूछ लूंगी।
Okay. Basant Panchami, it is known as Saraswati Puja also. You have to know about all these harvest festivals, and of which state these are the harvest festivals. Like Pongal, Tamil Nadu, it is this day celebrate Makar Sankranti. It is marked as prosperity and abundance and all. You have to know about all these harvest festivals. आने चाहिए आपको. Okay. Then next is on page number 57, milestones and medicines. Okay. That is, in this you will be knowing about some of the important discoveries and some of the important inventions. Okay.
मैम इस चैप्टर में हमें ये दे रखे हैं डिस्कवरी, तो उनके ईयर याद करने हैं ना?
Yes, you have to learn about these. That is,
And country.
discovered in which. You have to learn about aspirin. It was discovered in which year? You have to learn the year in which you have the year which are given. You have to learn those only. That is, these were discovered in which year, and about the countries. You if the important discover, these are name of the some of the important person. You have to know learn about these discoverers or
Ma'am, in
inventors
cat.
in which to which
Okay.
country they do belong. Okay. Okay. Inventions and their years.
Yes, ma'am.
Inventors and their countries. Okay. Now next page, page number 58. As I told you again, it is important from question and answers point of view. You should know about gold. Okay. What is gold? It's a chemical element. Its symbol is Au, which in Latin means aurum. Its atomic number is 79. It is the precious metal, purest form. In its purest form, it is considered noble metal, and it's slightly reddish yellow, dense, soft, malleable, and ductile. Okay, all
Ma'am,
these
what is
are its
atomic number?
that is, it is dense, soft, malleable, ductile are its chemical properties हैं. हमने पढ़ी है. Physical properties पढ़ते हैं, physical and chemical properties. So malleable, ductile, dense, soft, and it is all are some of its physical properties of gold.
मैम कौन सी पेज पर है? गोल्ड पे.
Page number 58, gold, first paragraph we are reading. Okay. Then next is, it is least reactive metal and occur in its native form, free, and also element states are as nuggets and grains. That is, we can also find this element in the form of small nuggets and grains, छोटे छोटे दाने form में, and in rocks, in veins, and alluvial deposit. And it is found mixed with the other elements as gold compound also. Next is gold, a precious metal. It is a metal is rare and naturally occurring metal of high economic value. Okay, it is economically valued. That is, we know gold is very expensive because of its stable nature under harsh conditions and natural and man-made. That is because it due to its stable nature. क्योंकि ये stable रहता है, melt नहीं हो जाता. It is due to this, its economic value is also very high. And also you should know about it. That is, it was in the ancient days, it was used by nobilities, and various historical aircraft have been discovered made of gold from archaeological sites. हमने बहुत सारी चीजें discoveries में देखी, artifacts हमने study किया था history chapter about artifacts. So many of the artifacts about in the old ancient days were found in gold. And also it was used as a currency also. This gold was used as a currency by early civilizations, and it is still used in international trading also. And its quality of gold doesn't change over the years. इसकी quality जो थी कभी change नहीं होती सालों साल. It remains the same. So it is malleable. It is single gram can be beaten into sheet of 1 square meter. Now see, it's important. Something to be noted is a single gram of gold, 1 gram of gold can be beaten into sheet. As we know, it is malleable. Malleable means it can be beaten into sheets. उससे हम gold से sheet बना सकते हैं. So 1 gram of gold can be beaten into sheet. That is, can be made into sheet of 1 square meter, and also still it is semi-transparent. Then come to the interesting facts about gold. Gold dust and gold foils are used in cuisines also. Some body contains a small percentage of, our body contains small percentage of gold also. More gold is recoverable from a ton of personal computers than from 17 tons of the gold ores. All gold on the earth came from meteorites that bombarded the planet millions of years ago. See, these are some of the important facts जो हमें gold के बारे में जानने हैं. And the world's largest gold nugget was called as Welcome Stranger, and it is found in Victoria, Australia in 1869, and its weight over 71 kilogram, of which 65 kilogram became refined or pure coal. जिसको हमने जब refine किया तो it became 65. Is it clear? So you should learn about these. Next is on page number 59. Open your videos, everybody, fast. Page number 59. Okay, Indian Security of India. You should know about these organizations and the year in which these organizations were found, and also where are the headquarters of these organizations located. This is all what you have to learn about them. Okay. Next is page number 62. These are the ladies first. That is the first lady to these are some of the prominent ladies, that is the important ladies which hold the first place, okay. Like first commandant, Armed Force Medical College, Pune became the first woman to reach the rank of Lieutenant General in Indian Army. You should know the names of all these ladies. Clear? Is it okay, 7th class? Then is on page number 64, religious tour, that is important places, religious places these
And
are.
ladies first.
And what?
तो रह गया.
Yeah, you all can do it. You can fill it.
मैं मेरा तो हो गया है.
Okay. And then religious tour. And then on page number 66, it's phobias, different type of fear.
मैम
That is
phobia
many
सबसे पहले
people.
भी पढ़ रहा है.
Yeah, you have already done. So these are some of the fear which people, common fear which people faces regarding every kind, like fear of spiders, snakes, height, fear of dogs, fear of death, and fear of dolls, blood. So what do we call all these fears? That is phobias. Is it clear? Then next one is
मैम 54 पेज में पढ़ के रीड करना है क्या?
पेज नंबर
मैम 54 पे, मैम 64 पे क्या करना है मैम?
You have to learn it. Learn the important religious tools. For example, Vaishno Devi, situated in Katra, in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is dedicated to Mother Goddess Mahalakshmi. Three natural rock formations known as Pindis are over there which are worshipped. You should know about them. You have to learn about them. All these things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And then phobias, and on page number 67 is ancient dynasties. This dynasty has its capital at Thaneshwar. It is a powerful ruler of this. Harshvardhan was the powerful ruler of this dynasty. You should know the name of these dynasties. That is all which you have to learn from this. Is it clear? Is it okay? 7th class?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have completed my GK book.
Okay, very good.
मैम I have also completed.
Okay, you. Okay, time is over now. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, 7. Thank you and have a nice day, 7th class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम ने लीव कर दिया.
इसके बाद कौन सी क्लास है अब?
संस्कृत की है.
तो ये लीव कर देनी है ना अभी?
हाँ
ओके।
सर